Radioactive. The instinct. The ice doesn't know what's coming, but they do. A polar bear stops mid-step. Its breath hangs in the frozen air. Something is wrong. 300 meters away, a colony of seals begins to move. Not slowly, all at once. They throw themselves into the water, like the ice itself is poison. The birds go silent. No calls, no wings beating, just silence. For 11 seconds, the Arctic holds its breath, and then the sun falls to Earth. The fireball reaches 15 million degrees Fahrenheit, 4 times hotter than the core of the sun. It doesn't melt the ice, it erases it. Flash vaporization. 2 billion gallons of ice turn to superheated steam in less than a second. The explosion carves a crater 300 feet deep, half a mile wide. The shockwave moves outward at 700 miles per hour. A wall of compressed air so powerful, it shatters ice ridges 20 miles away. The Greenland ice sheet, 2 miles thick, cracks like glass. Fissures race toward the ocean. Above it all, the mushroom cloud climbs, 12 miles high, punching through the stratosphere, carrying with it 2 million tons of vaporized ice and something else, fallout. 750 miles north of the blast sits Thule Air Base, the United States' most remote military installation, home to missile warning systems that watch for Russian ICBMs, home to 600 American personnel, past tense. Beneath Thule, something even fewer people know about. Project Iceworm, a Cold War relic, a city built under the ice, tunnels designed to hide 600 nuclear missiles. It was abandoned in 1967, but the tunnels remain. The ice kept the secret, until now. The shockwave collapses every tunnel, every chamber, entombing the past in 3 million tons of fractured ice. But Thule isn't the only American territory at risk. The real danger is just beginning. When ice meets ocean at this scale, physics becomes biblical. A chunk of ice the size of Manhattan breaks free. It falls, and when it hits the water, it displaces 17 cubic miles of seawater in under 3 minutes. The wave moves outward, 500 miles per hour, a mega tsunami. 8 hours later, it reaches the East Coast, Boston, New York, Washington, D.C. A wall of water, 40 feet high, traveling inland for miles, millions in the impact zone. No time to evacuate. But the water isn't the only thing spreading. The mushroom cloud drifts east on the jet stream. Radioactive particles mix with Arctic moisture. 3 days later, it snows in Canada. Black snow, laced with cesium-137, strontium-90, iodine-131. By day 7, it reaches Norway. Finland, Scotland, water supplies poisoned, crops unsalvageable. And in Greenland, the scar remains, a radioactive wound on the frozen surface of the planet, visible from space for the next 24,000 years.